gauge tripping me out, man. I don't know if they know if it's right or not. I think that's why it's caught. I think that's why it's tripping right there, man. Huh? That's too much. Look, tell me what it is. How much fuel pressure he got? I want you to. If they can't, if you can't look at it and tell the guy, me and you can't tell, they can't tell either, right? Okay, well, I'm looking at, if I was to guess, look like it want to be around the 10 range, 10 to 14, 15, all them long numbers. Let me ask him if he know about the gauge doing all that. Hey, have you seen the fuel pressure gauge? You seen how it's like around a 10?
I got 2 of them on it.
Oh, you got 2 of them on it? Uh-oh, my bad. You got 2 of them on it. I got to find the one on the bottom. He said there's 2 of them on there. Oh, I see another problem. Look. Look at his distributor. His car wire on the top of the distributor. Hey, I wouldn't touch it if I was you. Oh, okay. Oh, boy, that scared me. I'm used to seeing it pushed all the way down. I want to be as helpful as I can. Oh, there it goes. It reads correctly. Okay, yeah, he got it right, y'all. That ain't the problem. It's something else. Man, I don't know what it is now. Man, that juice ain't working right.
This is Nitrous, that shit heavy.
Damn, man, I wanted to see that thing go down through there, man. Man. I guess I'll go look at something else then. Bojangles. I went and bought some pineapple and vodka after watching Lookout Stream earlier. Shit, that shit hit, man. You gotta, don't be scared. You gotta damn near just get you some ice. See, really, if you got a shot glass, I can teach you how to go and regulate it, man. You don't need as much as everybody be trying to make it seem like. Cause see me, I plan on getting about 3 cups, you hear me? I say, in order to be happy, put you a shot and a half, and then just fill it up with a whole bunch of pineapple to where you can barely even. Oh, look at Dog Master damn. Oh, that ain't him. Hey. Oh, he's on a music video. Oh, okay. That's what I need to do, y'all. Okay, I need to do that. Damn. Hey. Did a music video in front of Demonology car. That's player. Look at him, he want to get in there. Like it loud like this. Hey. They got too many different music playing. I guess that's how I'm gonna have to make them kind of faces when I make me a music video. Man. Yeah, I'm gonna make them kind of faces. Yeah, okay. Taking notes, y'all. Yeah, okay. make me a music video now. I guess, I don't know. People in and out the car during the shot. Shit, I'm taking notes. Yeah, man, this is a racetrack, not no concert. Hey, man, he trying to... I'm learning from him, man. That's how y'all do a music video, man. I'm taking notes. I might have to... Oh, he didn't already did it. I thought that's what I heard. He made a song for Demonology. I think I could do that. I could have did that. I could have did that. That'll be good. Make a song for the... Yeah, that gonna be a new idea. I might get some views off that. Yeah. Yeah, I can come up with a nice racing song. I don't know. He'll sound like he's singing. It said, oh, Demonology. Let me hear it one more time. Hold on, y'all. Let me hear what he's saying. He might be jamming. I don't know, though. The beat just not racy to me, though. But it might be. I ain't really heard. I can't be down talking people. Hey. Yeah, I don't know. I'm going to get on the microphone and see if I can come up with something. I already know they gonna be saying, I can see him now. Yeah, man, nigga bite my swag. If I'm gonna come out with a song. If I come out with a song with and say Demonology, would you feel like that's biting your swag? Nah.
I just want to make some things. Hey man, this who made the song, right?
Yeah, I'm talking to him now, but I'm asking him if I make a song with about Demonology, would that be biting his style, or would he be mad?
Actually.
Oh, okay. I'm just making sure.
I needed to come to represent him, man.
Yeah.
Singing music, like,
Yeah.
I did it for my own car. My own car is Mustang, so like I like Mustang music.
Yeah.
Like, why not do it for somebody else? So
Yeah.
to him, Jump Master, Miles of Fame, and also Godspeed is asking me to do it as well.
Yeah.
So, hey.
I'm thinking about making me one. I can rap too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I know all the race car parts. I got the studio interface stuff at the house. You'll hear a song in a minute.
I'll tell you what, you do a verse and send it to me. I have my producer add it to the track. Maybe we can do a remix.
Okay, well send me the beat. I'm gonna use my own beat. That way I can get in my own zone, and then you can see if you can do something with it. You might hear my beat and want to go on my beat. I'm gonna do the whole thing. I'm gonna send it to you. You got a card or something? Give me a card.